everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy, and today I'm going to be sharing a flip through of the January and February catalogue. So here is the front cover, quite pretty. Alright, so let's get going. Okay, so we have that. Now you've got be a VIP, so if you wanted to become a VIP, you can have a look at that. I have gone through that before. You can earn 15% credit on your future orders. You receive a free stamp of the month with a qualifying order, and there's exclusive offers and specials. If you wanted to know a bit more about the VIP, you can have a look at my website, and yeah, so that'll explain a little bit more. Okay, these is the Craft with Heart subscriptions. You got the scrapbooking and the card making. Now this is Happiness Lives Here. This is the new paper collection, which I have in my hot little hands here. So I'll just quickly go through the papers. I can show you them. So that's the Happiness Lives Here paper pack with the sticker sheet, which is this collection here. Now you do have at the top coordinating cardstock. That's at the top there. Alright, so let's keep flipping. So I've just gone through, so that's the paper pack and the sticker sheet. And you've got your PML cards. There's a cricket collection coming. Now we'll just flip through and you can pause it where you like. Remember, the ones with the blue here come with a thin cut, or you can buy it with just the stamp, or you can buy it with the stamp and the thin cut. This one here is the one I'm going to get. It's Winter Penguins. My son's a huge penguin fan, so gotta have it. This is really cute. I like this. This reminds me of Scrabble. This is Home Sweet Home. This is for National Paper Crafting Month, which is in January. So if you like your wooden things, you make the thing and then you pop these out depending on the time of the year it is. They're just magnetic. And this is a current special that we've got currently going on, Perfect Match. It's, Valentine themed, but you don't necessarily have to use it for Valentine's, but and here's your slimline cards and envelopes, so you can purchase those now if you want. This here is January stamp of the month, which I do have here, which is this one. Oh, lots of thank yous on there. Thanks a million, thanks a ton, thank you. So yeah, and there is February stamp of the month, doodled borders, lots of borders, that's cool. And lucky last page is the Operation Smile stamp set, every bit of wonderful. So yeah, alright, so that is the January and February catalogue flip through. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!